Lita, you can leave first. Can I say
yeah.
anything? Okay. Yeah. It's so great to see you. So why are you staying here?
Great to see you too. I just got here. I was admiring the decoration for a moment and then I saw you coming down the stairs.
Actually, that's a good thing you stopped to admire them. This is Aii Language Center at Takeo Campus, and I heard that you were looking for a school to learn foreign languages.
I've been wanting to improve my English.
Awesome, but before we head inside for a tour though, how about some food? I'm starving.
You've read my mind. I could definitely use a bite to eat.
Yes, great. There's a great food court. They have delicious food and it would be a nice chance to try more.
Sounds like a plan. Let's go.
Yes, let's go. Lita, after we have eaten the delicious food from LA Food Court, how about we head over to the info office? They can answer any specific questions you have about the program offered here at Aii Language Center. Oh, hey Lita, you came out of the info office with a big smile on your face. Did they tell you everything you wanted to know?
Absolutely. They explain all about the program they offer from pre-K all the way up to adults. They even have a Chinese program, which is exactly what I was hoping for. I'm really interested in learning more.
That's fantastic. I bet you'll be even more excited once you see the classroom. They're so nice.
Can we head over now? I'm really curious to see them.
Of course, let's go.
Wow, this place is amazing. Not only they offer great learning opportunities, but also the classrooms are clean and it seems like there's a real scene of a community here, especially after seeing the English and Chinese classroom.
Absolutely. Talking about the community, I almost forgot to show you the one more important room.
Is it a school library?
You could say that.
Actually, I remember the info office mentioning a well-equipped library.
That's impressive. You have a great memory. The library is fantastic for reading, researching, or even just relaxing with a good book. Ready to check it out?
Definitely. Let's go.
Good morning, teacher. Lita, is this library amazing?
Absolutely. It's even better than I imagined. The way they design the shelves and the seating areas is so creative. It feels very comfortable and inviting, perfect for getting lost in a good book.
Hey Lita, what are your thoughts on Aii Language Center at Takeo Campus?
Well, I'm so impressed. It's definitely exceeded my expectation. I'm really glad that I came here to learn more about that program. In fact, when I get home, I'm going to talk about parents along its history at Aii Takeo Campus.
That's fantastic news. Maybe we'll even be a classmate.
That would be amazing. Unfortunately, I have to head back now.
No worry. Have a great afternoon, Lita. I also have another class coming up soon too.
See you around today. Good luck with your session.
You too, Lita. Bye.